If your Namecheap domain says suspended for email verification, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get your domain back online as quickly as possible. This is a common issue, and the good news is that in most cases, it can be resolved in just a few minutes if you follow the right steps carefully. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and website tutorials like this. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside, go to your domain list. This is where you can see all of the domains connected to your account, including the one that has been suspended. Look for the domain that is showing the suspended status because that's the one we need to fix. Next to the suspended domain, you should see an option that says Verify Contacts. Click that option to resend the verification email. This step is very important because Namecheap uses contact verification to make sure the domain registration details are valid and up to date. When you click it, Namecheap will send a fresh verification message to the registrant email address listed on the domain. Now switch over to the email inbox for your registrant contact address. Be sure to check both your main inbox and your spam or junk folder because sometimes the verification email gets filtered there. The message you're looking for will usually have a subject line like Action Required. Verify your contact information for your domains. Open that email and click the verification link inside it. After you click the link, Namecheap should process the verification and start lifting the suspension on your domain. In many cases, this is all you need to do. But if you do not receive the email or if the registrant email address is no longer accessible, you'll need to update the contact information first. To do that, go back to your Namecheap domain list, click Manage for the suspended domain, and then open Domain Contacts. From there, update the registrant email address to one that you can currently access. Save the changes, then return to the new inbox and look for the verification email again. Once it arrives, open it and click the verification link just like before. After you complete verification, give it a few minutes for everything to update. The domain may not reactivate instantly, and DNS can take a little time to return to normal. Namecheap notes that the change can sometimes take up to 30 minutes to fully reflect, so if the status does not change right away, just wait a bit and refresh the page. Once the verification is complete, your domain should come out of suspension and start working normally again. If you were using email or a website on that domain, those services should begin restoring as the DNS updates finish processing. So that's how you fix a domain suspended for email verification in Namecheap. If this walkthrough helped, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Namecheap troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.